everyone, welcome back to the podcast to help you learn English in a real easy way. If you want more simple English conversations, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Today we are going to a very important place, a magical place, a beautiful place, a delicious place.
We are going to the cafe.
At the cafe, you can drink coffee, eat cake, talk with friends, study, read, or just sit and look cool.
So today, we will listen to a simple, fun English conversation at a cafe. You will learn useful cafe vocabulary and natural sentences you can really use.
You don't need to repeat after us. Just relax, listen, and enjoy the story.
Okay, let's start. Imagine a small, cozy cafe. Soft music. The smell of coffee. Fresh pastries. It's Saturday morning.
I'm already hungry.
Of course you are. So in our story, I am Mia, and this is my friend Leo. We meet at a cafe to have breakfast and talk.
Let's go inside.
Hi, Leo.
Hey, Mia. Over here.
Oh, hi. Wow, this cafe looks nice.
Yeah, I love this place. It's small, but it feels very cozy. The lights are warm, and the chairs are actually comfortable.
That's rare. Cafe chairs are often so hard. It's like they don't want you to stay too long.
True. But here, they want you to sit, drink, talk, and order more cake.
Okay, that sounds perfect. So what do they have here?
Let's look at the menu.
Menu?
Yes, the menu is the list of food and drinks in a restaurant or cafe.
Oh, I see the menu on the wall. And there is also a paper menu on the table.
I usually order a cappuccino or a latte.
I don't really understand all the coffee words. What is a latte?
A latte is coffee with a lot of milk. It's soft and creamy.
And a cappuccino?
A cappuccino is coffee with milk too, but it has more foam on top. Foam is like milk bubbles.
Milk bubbles. Fancy?
Exactly. And there is also an espresso. That's a very small, very strong coffee.
I think an espresso is like a punch in the face, but made of coffee.
Yes, but in a good way.
And what about that one, iced coffee?
Iced coffee is cold coffee, usually with ice cubes. It can be sweet. It's great when it's hot outside.
Okay, latte, cappuccino, espresso, iced coffee. I'm learning the language of coffee.
They also have tea, hot chocolate, and juice if you don't want coffee.
No, today I want to be an adult. I will drink coffee.
Wow, big step. So what do you want to order?
I think I want a latte. And maybe something to eat. What food do they have?
Let's see. They have croissants, muffins, cookies, cake, and sandwiches.
A croissant and a latte. That sounds like a perfect breakfast.
Good choice. I think I will get an iced coffee and a chocolate muffin.
Of course, chocolate. You always choose chocolate.
Life is short. Eat chocolate.
Okay, let's go to the counter and order.
The counter is the place where you stand and tell the person what you want.
Right, the person who works here is called the barista.
Yes, the barista makes coffee and also takes your order.
Good morning.
Hi there.
I would like a latte, please. And one croissant.
And I'll have an iced coffee and a chocolate muffin, please.
Could we sit over there by the window?
Yes, that table by the window looks nice.
The barista says, sure, you can sit anywhere. I'll bring your order to your table.
Perfect, thank you.
Okay, we ordered our drinks and food. One latte, one iced coffee, one croissant, and one chocolate muffin.
And now we sit and wait at the table.
I love sitting by the window. You can watch people on the street and imagine their stories.
Yes, like that man with the big hat. Maybe he is a secret agent.
Or he is just a man with a big hat.
Boring, but probably true.
So, Leo, how often do you go to cafes?
I go to a cafe maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
Wow, are you rich?
No, I just really like coffee. And I like the atmosphere.
What do you usually do at the cafe?
Sometimes I meet friends, sometimes I work on my laptop, and sometimes I just sit and listen to music.
And sometimes you take photos of your coffee for social media.
Of course. If you don't take a photo, did you really drink it?
Deep question.
What about you? Do you like going to cafes?
Yes, but not every day. I like to go maybe once a week. I like to relax, drink something sweet, and talk.
Do you ever work or study at the cafe?
Sometimes. But I'm not very productive. I just look at people and think about cake.
That's also work. It's emotional research.
Our drinks and food are here.
The barista brings a tray with the latte, the iced coffee, the croissant, and the muffin.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, my latte looks beautiful. There is a little heart in the milk foam.
Wow, coffee art.
I feel special.
My iced coffee looks great too. Lots of ice and a straw.
Let's try them.
How is it?
It's so good. It's hot, but not too hot. The coffee is not too strong. It's creamy. I like it.
Nice. My iced coffee is sweet and cold. Perfect.
And the croissant is fresh. It's soft inside and a little crispy outside.
My muffin is amazing. It's very chocolatey.
Okay, now I'm hungry again.
Here, have a small piece of my muffin.
Really?
Yes, but just a small piece. A very small piece. Like microscopic.
I'll take a medium piece, thank you.
So when you order at a cafe, you can say things like, I would like a latte, please, or can I have an iced coffee, please?
You can also say, I'll have a sandwich, or I'll take a muffin.
If you don't know what to choose, you can ask, what do you recommend?
Or, what is your most popular drink?
If you want something without milk, you can say, I'd like it without milk, please.
Or, no sugar, please. Or, can I have it with soy milk?
Yes, that's important if you don't drink normal milk.
At the cafe, you often hear questions like, to stay or to go?
That means, do you want to drink it here or take it away?
You can answer, to stay, please. Or, to go, please.
Some cafes say, for here or to go.
Same meaning. Drink here or take away.
At the cafe, you also need to talk about money.
The barista might say, that will be $8. Or, the total is $8.
You can pay with cash or card if they accept cards.
Okay, now let's continue our story. We are sitting, drinking, and talking.
So Mia, do you prefer hot drinks or cold drinks?
It depends. In winter, I like hot chocolate or a hot latte. In summer, I like iced coffee or juice.
I like hot coffee all year.
Even when it's 35 degrees?
Yes, I like to suffer.
Interesting hobby.
What is your dream cafe order?
My dream order. Okay. 1 big caramel latte, extra milk, not too hot. 1 chocolate croissant, and maybe a piece of cheesecake.
That's not an order, that's a festival.
It's my dream. Go big or go home.
True. For me, my dream order is a big black coffee, no sugar, and a huge chocolate cake.
So simple. but so strong.
Very strong, like my feelings for cake.
At the cafe, it's also important to know how to ask for things politely.
For example, if you want more sugar, you can say, "Excuse me, can I have some sugar, please?"
Or if your drink is too cold or there is a problem, you can say, "Excuse me, I think there is a problem with my drink."
Or, "Excuse me, I ordered a latte, but this is a cappuccino."
The barista will probably say, "Oh, I'm sorry, I'll change it for you."
Always speak kindly. It's not easy to work in a busy cafe.
That's true. Be nice to your barista.
Also, if the cafe is very full, you can ask someone, "Is this seat free?"
Or, "Is anyone sitting here?"
If it's free, they can say, "No, go ahead," or "No, you can sit here."
And then you say, "Thank you."
Maybe you even start a conversation and make a new friend.
Or you sit in silence and both look at your phones.
Also possible.
Do you ever work on your laptop at the cafe?
Yes, but I always feel a little strange when I stay for a long time with just one small coffee.
Yeah, you sit there for 3 hours with one espresso.
I feel like the barista is looking at me thinking, "Buy something else."
So sometimes it's good to order another drink or a snack if you stay a long time.
Yes, it's polite.
Okay, back to our story. We finish our drinks and food.
That was good.
I'm full and happy.
Me too. So, are you ready to go?
Yes, but first, can we get the bill?
The bill is the paper that shows how much you have to pay.
In some countries, people say check in a restaurant, but bill is fine too.
So we say, "Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?"
The barista brings the bill. It says, 1 latte, 1 iced coffee, 1 croissant, 1 muffin.
And the total is $10.
We can pay at the table or at the counter, depending on the cafe.
In this cafe, we pay at the counter.
So we go to the counter and say, "We'd like to pay, please."
The barista asks, "Cash or card?"
And we say, "Card, please."
We pay, say thank you, and leave the cafe.
That was a nice cafe visit.
Yes, good coffee, good food, good conversation.
And good English practice.
Today, we used many words and expressions for ordering and talking at the cafe.
Let's remember some of them together. We talked about drinks, coffee, latte, cappuccino, espresso, iced coffee, tea, hot chocolate, juice.
We talked about food, croissant, muffin, cookie, cake, sandwich, cheesecake.
We learned cafe words, barista, menu, counter, table, bill, to stay, to go, for here.
And we used useful questions and sentences. "I'd like a latte, please." "Can I have an iced coffee?" "What do you recommend? To stay or to go?"
We also heard, "Is this seat free? Can we have the bill, please? Cash or card?"
These sentences are easy but very useful when you travel or go to a cafe in an English-speaking country.
You can listen to this episode again to remember the vocabulary. You can also write your own small cafe conversation with these words.
If you enjoy learning English with simple, real-life stories like this, remember to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with your friends.
It really helps our channel to grow, and it helps other people find easy English content.
And you can listen to this podcast at a cafe too, with a big coffee and maybe cake.
Yes, learning English with coffee is always a good idea.
Thank you for spending time with us today at the cafe.
See you in the next episode of Pop Off English.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.